It's a 2021 Silverado 2500. So let's just take a second and enjoy it. Oh, look at those wheels. Well wheels, new Mickey Thompson tires, sexy. And of course it's got a big heavy duty hitch. It's a big heavy duty truck. Oh, power tailgate, love it. Stepping up inside this custom trim level Silverado, it's the Goldilocks of trucks. Not too much, not too little, just right on the options. This one seats 6 on the cloth interior. And I promise your eyes are not deceiving you. That's right, 9,081 miles as of this video. Not even 10,000 miles on this 2021 pickup. It does have audio controls on the steering wheel as well as premium audio in the dash. It's just a nice setup. You're gonna love this truck. And that big screen makes the backup camera extremely clear. You're gonna love that too. As we go down the dash, you'll see it does have, of course, heating and air conditioning. It has a few extra things down here. Trailer brake controller, extremely important on a 3/4 ton truck too. And as we climb into the back seat, you're gonna see a ton of room back here. It is a 3/4 ton crew cab, so there's room for anybody you wanna take along with you. If you're hauling a boat or a camper, plenty of room, plenty of cargo space. Come get it today.